Hello and welcome to today's video. Last Friday, Microsoft MSFT stock hit a buy point after the company announced that it is adding artificial intelligence tools to its popular office productivity applications. This is big news for investors and technology enthusiasts alike. Are you an investor or technology enthusiast curious about the latest developments in the tech industry? Then you don't want to miss this. Microsoft's recent announcement on the addition of AI-powered tools to its office productivity applications has captured the attention of many stakeholders. In this video, I'll be sharing key takeaways from the video and why I think it's essential to be aware of this development. Microsoft has introduced Microsoft 365 Copilot, which uses next-generation AI to automate and simplify tasks in apps that many workers use daily, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Copilot is currently in testing with select commercial customers, and Microsoft has not detailed how it intends to monetize the tool. Microsoft also announced Business Chat, a new experience that works across Office apps and a customer's calendar, emails, chats, documents, meetings, and contacts to do things that people weren't able to do before. Business Chat generates a status update based on the morning's meetings, emails, and chat threads with natural language prompts like "Tell my team how we updated the product strategy." According to Jared Spataro, Microsoft Corporate Vice President for Modern Work and Business Applications, by grounding in your business content and context, Copilot delivers results that are relevant and actionable. It's enterprise-ready, built on Microsoft's comprehensive approach to security, compliance, privacy, and responsible AI. Copilot marks a new era of computing that will fundamentally transform the way we work. On the stock market, Microsoft stock advanced 1.2% to close at $279.43. With the move, Microsoft stock broke out of a flat base at a buy point of $276.86, according to IBD MarketSmith charts. Analysts are bullish on Microsoft's AI-driven productivity tools. Mizuho Securities analyst Greg Moskowitz called Copilot a leap forward in AI-driven productivity and reiterated his buy rating on Microsoft stock and upped his price target to $315 from $300. Deutsche Bank analyst Brad Zelnick kept his buy rating on Microsoft stock after the event, saying, "As the system matures, we are optimistic that Microsoft 365 Copilot will be widely ingrained in workflows to drive productivity and business value." Oppenheimer analyst Timothy Horan said in a note to clients that Microsoft 365 Copilot will be very difficult for rivals to emulate, as Microsoft has an enormous base of 1.5 billion users and access to OpenAI technology. He also noted that Alphabet, Google, Unit Google, and Salesforce, CRM, had Me Too announcements timed with Microsoft's presentation. UBS analyst Carl Kierstead took a more cautious stance, maintaining his neutral rating on Microsoft stock but raising his price target to $275 from $250. He said Microsoft still has hurdles to overcome with Copilot, including monetizing the technology and demonstrating its usefulness in practice. Overall, Microsoft's announcement of AI-driven productivity tools is a significant development for the company and the industry as a whole. It will be interesting to see how Copilot and Business Chat are received by commercial customers and how they impact Microsoft's stock price in the long term. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest investing trends, tips, and expert advice, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana. We're constantly working on new content to help you navigate the world of investments with confidence. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop a comment below. We love hearing from our audience. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep investing wisely and growing your wealth. This is the Investing Iguana, signing off.